Find f of 1, given these conditions. To find f of 1, we substitute z equals 1, into this expression. When z is equal to 1, z to the power of 2024, z to the power of 2023, and z to the power of 2022, are all equal to 1. So, f of 1 equals 2a plus b. Then, we can work out a and b, from this condition. We let omega equal 1 plus root 3I, all over 2. Then, f of omega equals a times omega to the power of 2024, plus omega to the power of 2023, plus b times omega to the power of 2022. These two terms have a common factor of omega to the power of 2022. So, they can be factored as a times omega squared, plus a times omega, plus b, times omega to the power of 2022. Next, we will work out omega squared, and omega to the power of 2022. Omega squared equals 1 plus root 3I, all over 2, all squared, which is equal to negative 2, plus 2 root 3I, all over 4. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2, this can be simplified to negative 1, plus root 3I, all over 2. Omega cubed equals omega times omega squared, which is equal to root 3I, all squared, minus 1, all over 4, which is equal to negative 3, minus 1, all over 4, which is negative 1. Thus, omega to the power of 6, equals negative 1, all squared, which is 1. Omega to the power of 2022, equals omega to the power of 6, times 337, which is equal to omega to the power of 6, all to the power of 337, which is equal to 1. Next, we substitute omega squared, omega, and omega to the power of 2022, into this expression. We can now write that this equals a times negative 1, plus root 3I, all over 2, plus a times 1, plus root 3I, all over 2, plus b. This can be simplified to b plus a times root 3I. This equals 2052, plus 2024 root 3I. Since a and b are real numbers, a equals 2024, and b equals 2052. Because f of 1 equals 2 times a plus b, f of 1 equals 2 times 2024, plus 2052, which is 6100.